Okay guys, let's go over day 10, ELA and Math together again. We're going to look at the beginning of page 21 at root words. And so it says, circle your answer to the question and then underline the root. Now they want you to underline the part of the word that gave you the clue that this is what that meant. So which word contains a Latin root that means one? Underline the root. Well, let's look at the first word, unicorn. Uni, we know means one. So perimeter and biceps, do either of those have anything to do with one? Well, we know bi, that means two. So underline the uni under there. This activity is kind of confusing. So I'm going to ask you to underline the part of the word that shows you what this means. So when they ask about one, underline that part for uni. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is math. You multiply to find each product. We know the product is an answer to a multiplication problem. So we know we're going to multiply to find the answers. Then circle any products, so circle the answers that are prime numbers. Let's do a quick review. Prime numbers. Prime numbers mean only factors that they have, the only factor pair is one in itself. So for example, 3 equals 1 times 3, 7 equals 1 times 7. There are no other numbers that I can multiply to get 3 or 7. And there are lots of prime numbers throughout. So if you need to, you can look at your multiplication chart too and see. Now, a composite number, they're not asking for composite numbers, but I'm going to go over those really quick too because it's a great review to have. So you got your prime numbers with only one factor pair. Well, composite numbers have more than one factor pair. So for example, 9, 1 times 9, and 3 times 3. What about 27? 1 times 27, 9 times 3 equals 27. So there are different numbers. So you're going to multiply to get the answer, and then you're going to circle the prime numbers. That means they only have one factor pair, one in itself to get that number. Then on the next page, you have Friendship Day. Friendship Day is the first Sunday in August. Finish each sentence, then draw a picture to show what friendship means to you. So you're going to answer, friends should always, what? Dance. Friends should never eat your chocolate. You could put whatever you want. I'm just being silly. And then I am a good friend because you're going to answer those 3 prompts, and then you're going to draw a picture to show what friendship means to you. And then we're going to complete each sentence with a prepositional phrase. What's a prepositional phrase? We did this in mentor sentences. Prepositional phrase. This phrase shows where something is. So where is it? Is it in? Is it on? Is it at? Is it by? Is it out or outside of? Is it beneath? Is it under? Is it next to? Is it beside? Is it on top? Is it ahead? Is it? So you can use whatever prepositional phrase here you think that kind of goes well. So the example they give you is Tyrone received a package in the mail from his sister. That's showing where that's coming from. So that can be where something is or where something came from. At the movies, Ella sat on top of her seat, underneath her seat. It could be anything. You can make it what it is, but use a prepositional phrase to answer numbers 28 through 35. All right, good luck.